Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try beige and brown printed shirt with blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown checks funky shirt with brown pants and white sneakers. Next you can try navy blue polo t-shirt with tan pants and black loafers. Next you can try light blue half sleeve shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try brown oversized shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green half sleeve t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white stripe half sleeve shirt with off-white pants and boots. Next you can try white t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try carbon black half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white sneaker outfit ideas.